G'day, Benjamin from the Little Guy Cooking, Shaw's Backyard Poultry. Gonna take a look at the chickens that we've got at the moment before we go get our new lot tomorrow. So these ones have just come out of the nesting boxes from inside under the heat lamps. They're called Easter eggers. Pretty sure they're an Araucana cross. Not 100% sure. So hello chickies. They're all hiding because it's been raining pretty heavy here today, on and off. We're just keeping those ones locked up at the moment so they know their way around the outside area. And then after a couple of days they'll get let out into the wide world. Today we built our second cage, which the Isa Browns are having a look around in. So I've got 3 Easter eggers, I've got 5 Isa Browns. They're in there just checking everything out. There's the rest of them having a feed in the scrap bin. And then we've got the Belgian duckles, little rooster, my favourite. We've got the girls under there. Another rooster up the back there. Their little home in there, which I'll clean out once it starts to get a bit better out here and it stops raining. There's another little duckle hidden under there, little white one. She's got gold coming through her feathers, but at the moment she's been out in the mud, so she's wet as anything and filthy. Once it stops raining, I'll have to give her a proper bath. So tomorrow we get to pick up some more chickens and I will post them on my page when we get them. I think a couple of them are Sussex, and I think there's a couple of silver-laced Warrandytes that we're picking up tomorrow. Just adding to the variety of chickens we've got. Absolutely love having chickens. Never thought I'd be this chicken crazy, but I am. There we go, little Easter eggers down there again. So that's all the chickens we have at the moment. We're picking up another 8 or 9 tomorrow. We also have some pigeons over here, which are my wife's pigeons. Not a huge fan of the pigeons, but they're part of the group. Now I've got the hole digger over here. My puppy, Kelpie Cross Border Collie. She loves the chickens, loves chasing the chickens, loves rounding up the chickens, but she doesn't actually hurt the chickens, so that's the bonuses. She will not hurt the chickens. Nice big long run for them, which we're slowly cleaning up. All that green wasn't there about 6 months ago. I've had some nice water. The ladies have been dropping the seeds everywhere, so it helps. And that's our backyard of chickens.